how to change the TikTok app language. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. But if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So today, in just a few simple steps, I'll teach you how to change the TikTok app language. So let's get started. First, open the TikTok app and then go to your profile on the bottom right. And then you have to tap on the three horizontal lines on the top right. Tap on settings and privacy and scroll down, and under content and display you'll see language. Tap on it and tap on app language. Now you can choose any language and change it. I'll change it to Hindi. Tap on it, done, and there you go. Now the TikTok app language has been changed to Hindi. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.